Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the OneDrive icon on your taskbar in Windows. This is a super quick customization that'll give you instant access to your OneDrive without having to dig through hidden icons. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and direct your attention to the bottom right part of your screen. This is where your system tray is located, the area that displays your clock, volume controls, and various app icons. You'll notice a small upward-pointing arrow in this section, which indicates that some icons are currently hidden from view. Go ahead and click on this system tray arrow to reveal all your hidden taskbar icons. When you click it, a small pop-up window will appear showing you all the icons that aren't currently visible on your main taskbar. This is where you'll find your OneDrive icon along with other background applications that are running on your computer. Now, here's where the magic happens. The process to get your OneDrive icon on the taskbar is incredibly straightforward. Simply locate the OneDrive icon within this Hidden Icons window. Once you've found it, click and hold your mouse button on the OneDrive icon, then drag it down from the system tray pop-up directly onto your main taskbar. As you drag it, you'll see the icon move with your cursor. Release your mouse button when you've positioned it where you want it on the taskbar, and the OneDrive icon will now permanently display there, giving you quick and easy access whenever you need it. What's great about this feature is that it's completely reversible. If you ever decide you want to hide the OneDrive icon again and return it to the hidden system tray icons, you can simply reverse the process. Just click and drag the OneDrive icon from your taskbar back up to the system tray area, and it will return to being a hidden icon. This flexibility allows you to customize your taskbar based on your current needs and preferences. And that's it. You've successfully customized your taskbar to display the OneDrive icon, making it easier to access your cloud storage whenever you need it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.